The people are absolutely devastated by what's happened. A young girl lost her life due to a scrambler, and we've had this problem for years, and my sympathy goes out to the family and to their friends. It's just appalling. It's very bad here in Finglas and in Ballymun. We have a huge problem with the scramblers. They're flying up and down, they're going on one wheels on the main streets, and there's certain roads which are particularly bad. From past experience, we had another man, a scrambler went over and done serious damage to him, and we've had loads of incidents where people have been hit by scramblers, and it still hasn't changed the situation. But we really need to move on this. And there are a number of suggestions that I certainly believe we need to possibly use the drones now to follow these. And we also need a specialised unit, gardaí unit with specialised bikes to tackle them. We've tried, and the guards in the past have advertised saying don't be buying bikes, don't be buying scooters for people, particularly young people, because a lot of them are going out very reckless. Some of them are underage. They're not wearing protection gear. They're not even licensed. And it really is, I would appeal to the community not to be doing this.